Good evening, traders. Welcome to another video. This video I'll be covering how to use your phone to follow up with the news, the stock prices, and how to look at the graphs on the phone. So several apps I use on my phone. Webull is the one I used to look at every single day, and you can download everything free from the App Store and just type in Webull. And this is a watch list I have, and then when you click on anything General Mills, you can see the graphs. When you turn it upside down, you can look at all these indicators here and then to tell how's that going today. And then for Webulls, it gives you the current news, press release, and then all those nice little things that you can look at. And then it does tell you what the aftermarket is and the pre-market is. So there's something that's nice about. And another thing is you can look at the markets around the world. Like right now, China's open, pretty bearish. Japan's open, Hong Kong's open, Taiwan's open, all the Asian markets. And you can trade on Webull too, and it's commission free. The next thing we're looking at, investing.com. It's a pretty nice app. It has everything that you need, and it's the same thing as Webull, but I prefer Webull better because you can just open it, look at your watch list, and see what's going on. And for investing.com, it's the same thing. It has the news, technical, and the chart. And scroll all the way back, rotate your screen, and it gives you a nice looking chart, just like the website I showed it to you. But if you are on your phone most of the time, you can use your phone to track your stocks. And the next thing I'll show you is NasdaqQuotes. You can actually see how many buyers are doing the market hour or after the market hour. So for example, my favorite SPY, we can look at the real time. There's a bug that we had in it today, like it tells you symbol not found. This is the real time when it closed at 4 p.m. How many people bought this ETF, and you can look at the after hour markets and then see how many buyers in the after market hour. Oh my goodness, half a million shares. Yeah, I can see. And then generally after market hour doesn't tell you what's gonna happen tomorrow, but you have a good sense of signal to see, oh, what's gonna be up tomorrow. Because right now after hours up 0.14%, which is nice for SPY, and it's totally free. You can search any symbol of the company you want, and they'll tell you how many buyers are there. And the next thing I'll look into, the StockTwits. It's not a good app because it's a bunch of people posting opinions and what they think about a stock, pump and dump. But for StockTwits, I use this just to look at the earnings coming up. You can download this on App Store, it's completely free. And then you scroll down, you can see you have an earnings calendar. So it tells you what kind of company have the earnings coming up. And I only use this app for the earnings because it's just easy to look at who they have, and it's free. And that's gonna be this video. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know. And then Robinhood is commission free, and if you sign up, you can use my referral link or someone else's. You and the person get a free stock. And then I use RH and TD trade. RH for options and TD for shares. But because RH gives you a commission free on everything, and then TD has a better platform to trade. So for shares, I do TD, and options, I do Robinhood. And that's about it. Robinhood, Webull, NasdaqQuotes, investing.com, and StockTwits. Thank you, and I'll see you next video.